If you're planning to book a holiday to Turkey soon, then this video is a must-watch. Today, we're exploring the stunning seaside town of Ishmala in Turkey, to bring you the 10 best hotels in Ishmala. It's one of the most popular resorts in the country, and also one of the most scenic. So, if you're planning a relaxing beach getaway, a family vacation, or a romantic escape, this collection of hotels has something for everyone. Stick around as we explore the top hotels in Ishmala, perfect for your next trip to the Turkish Riviera. Let's travel to Turkey. Let's begin at our first great hotel, and we travel to Hotel Aqua, a luxurious 5-star resort located right on Ishmala's breathtaking beachfront. With its exceptional service and all-inclusive offerings, this hotel features multiple swimming pools and a serene spa for ultimate relaxation. Hotel Aqua is ideal for couples and families alike, offering spacious rooms with balconies, making it one of the best hotels in Ishmala for an all-inclusive holiday experience. Marti La Perla is an adults-only haven nestled along Ishmala's pristine coastline. This stunning property offers a peaceful, laid-back vibe, making it a popular choice for couples looking to unwind. The hotel features modern, comfortable rooms with sea or garden views, plus several excellent dining venues. The all-inclusive package also includes access to activities like water sports and evening entertainment. It's the perfect spot for those who value relaxation, beautiful scenery, and adults-only luxury. Set in a lush pine forest overlooking the turquoise waters of Ishmala Bay, Orca Lotus Beach offers a unique blend of natural beauty and modern luxury. This 5-star resort boasts multiple outdoor pools and a very impressive foyer. Families love Orca Lotus Beach for its kid-friendly facilities, including water slides. With its spacious rooms, top-notch amenities, and unbeatable location, Orca Lotus Beach is perfect for travelers looking for an all-inclusive escape surrounded by nature and sea views. If you're looking for a more family-oriented and affordable option, the Grand Aquarium Hotel is a fantastic choice. This charming apart hotel offers spacious, apartment-style accommodations equipped with kitchenettes, making it ideal for self-catering holidays. The friendly staff and the hotel's welcoming, community-like atmosphere makes it a home away from home. Located a short distance from the beach and town center, this hotel provides a budget-friendly yet comfortable base. If you're enjoying this video so far, please hit that subscribe button to show support for our channel. It will cost you nothing, but it means so much to us. Thank you. We move on to our next fantastic hotel, and we find Elite World Marmaris, which is a stylish, adults-only boutique hotel offering a sophisticated, all-inclusive experience. With modern rooms featuring private balconies, this luxurious property is just a few steps from the beach, making it easy to soak up the sun and enjoy the sea breeze. You will love the hotel's chic design and exceptional cuisine served at its restaurants and bars. Elite World is perfect for couples seeking a romantic escape with a touch of luxury. Julian Forest Suites is a family-friendly resort set against a backdrop of lush pine-covered hills. The resort features multiple pools, including one with water slides for kids. This hotel offers spacious suites with private balconies, making it a comfortable choice for families and larger groups. The all-inclusive dining options serve up a mix of quality food, catering to all tastes. With its peaceful location, Julian Forest Suites offers both relaxation and fun for all ages. Continuing our roundup of Ishmala's best hotels, and we arrive at a superb wallet-friendly option. Fortuna Beach Hotel is a charming, budget-friendly 3-star property just a few steps from Ishmala Beach. This all-inclusive hotel provides a friendly atmosphere, comfortable rooms, and great value for money. Guests can relax by the pool, enjoy buffet-style meals, or take advantage of the nearby shops and restaurants in the town center.
Verde Hotel is a centrally located,
all-inclusive option perfect for those wanting to stay close to Ishmala's vibrant nightlife and local attractions. The hotel features a tempting swimming pool and comfortable rooms equipped with modern amenities. Enjoy a variety of cuisines at the on-site restaurant and unwind with drinks at the lively bar. Thanks to its great location and reasonable rates, Verde Hotel is a popular choice for anyone wanting an exciting sun-filled holiday experience. Pharaoh's Premium Beach Hotel is a luxurious, adults-only retreat offering elegance, comfort, and a prime beachfront location. This boutique-style hotel has a modern design, with spacious rooms that open up to breathtaking sea views. Guests can enjoy fine dining at the on-site restaurant, relax on private sun lounges by the beach, or indulge in spa treatments designed for ultimate relaxation. The atmosphere is tranquil, perfect for couples seeking a romantic escape. Last but not least, we come to the final hotel on our Ishmala tour. Yaid Lux Hotel combines affordability with comfort, making it a great option for travelers looking for a budget-friendly stay in the heart of Ishmala. This family-friendly hotel offers clean, modern rooms, an outdoor pool, and a friendly atmosphere that keeps guests coming back. The on-site restaurant serves a variety of dishes, and the bar is a great place to relax after a day exploring the town or lounging on the nearby beach. That concludes our trip round the 10 best hotels in Ishmala, which we hope you have enjoyed viewing. If so, why not subscribe to our travel channel at Dream to Roam, where we display many other excellent videos, with more to follow. Thank you for watching.